And that's why I was talking about the liquidity, because at the high of the day and low of the day, you got money parked there because people are waiting for the market to come back down to those levels. When they go into the new day, right, they're going to go back up there. If I draw us across, they're going to go back up there and poke their head in there and take the liquidity out of that area. They're going to take that money, like I said before. So that positions you as an investor to say, all right, cool, I know that that's the previous high right there. So I want to position myself not to buy because that's what they want you to do. That's why we say sell high and buy low. You buy low down here. Previous high is your guide. Sell high. Instead of people buying, you sell high down here. So when it go down, you make more and more money. But we're doing what the institutions are doing because they high and low. As soon as the market's open, like I said, they shoot the price up impulsively. They make it so people, chase it. Shoot the market up, get people to think, oh, I'm missing out with the market. No, they just going to get the previous money off the table. They clean off the table because that's their job. Their job is to clean off the table. Make sure nobody makes money. That's their job. Yeah, exactly. And if you can have the mindset of, cool, I want to make sure that I'm protected at all times when it comes to trading, and know that like they not going to look out for you. They going to make sure that you don't make no money. So when you're doing this, be in and out. You take out the previous high, and I always use an analogy with this. It's like the bees. They poking at. When they satisfy, they gone. Mm-hmm. Same thing. They poking at just a little bit, and they go. And they take off. And once they do this, people that's buying the market, you're talking life savings. All type of stuff gone.
They're losing that money.
Exactly. Wow. Because they're on the opposite side and they don't know. Like why we know, And like I say, this is your guide because every day they're going to print out a high and low. And I literally do this to this day. Like, I'll look at the market, I see what they did yesterday, and I will not trade. So what I'm trying to say, I will not trade in the middle. This is why they say buy low, sell high. You sell high up here, right? And you buy low down here because this is what the institutions are doing. I want to do what they do. I want to do what the successful people do. So let's say the market is trading like this. That's a slap on the hand. You do not want to trade while it's in the middle because that's their whole game plan. They want you to, I think the market's going to go up. So they'll mess around and print a pattern right here to make you think, we're about to move. Exactly. But then you are educated because now you know the time of the day you should be trading. You know what you're looking for, and you know the whole game of, hey, sell high, buy low. This is what the banks are doing. So this is why I say the time zones are important. So today I got around 6. Some of y'all might get up a little early. I don't always get up at 6. But I only trade around a certain time of the day because everybody else is trading around that time. The banks and everything are trading around that time, so I don't want to be losing money. So if they trading in the middle in that offset time, I'll just wait. I'll just wait until London session come or New York session come because that's when they're going to make their move to the previous high or low. It could be either or. They're going to take the money, and then this is where we see the patterns at. I'm going to close out with this. Then I'll ask questions. Going back to what we talked about, when they do this, at the high price, this is where most of the time you're going to see that pattern that I'm going to talk about. I guarantee I can bet y'all $1,000 right now. Most of the time, when they go to the high or low price, they're going to form a pattern. And this is how we're able to get the confirmation, like, I need to get in this. This is it. Because they'll do it around the high and low price. If they do it in here, like I said, it's a no-no. You know it's a trap. But when they do it at a high and low price, you know that's the gold move. You know that's the golden. But like I said, you sell high. And then we're gonna talk about this, and like I said, I'm gonna ask some questions. This goes back into the patterns. And I talk about the patterns a little bit more in the course because it's more visual. I know everybody learns a little different. But like with the patterns, we know that they form around the high and low price. You got the high price, low price, right? Every day, same thing. Market might be here. Don't trade. Market may come up here. Do that. Cool. How do you take advantage of this? When you see the M pattern, I'm telling you, it happens over and over again. You sell right here, you sell right here, and you sell right here. So, you might be at the grocery store, you might be at home. You like, hey, babe, I missed the trade. You got more than one opportunity to get on that setup. You see what I'm saying? Because, I mean, it happens to me. Sometimes it happens to me, like, I'll wake up and I already have missed this part of the M pattern, and it's patience. Like I said, it takes a while for it to form, which is good. And they'll go down, and then they'll come back up. And then on that second kiss, the last kiss, I'm able to settle it down because they gave me another opportunity to get in. So that's why I'm circling these right here. So if you take a note, visually draw the M pattern.
So what are you buying? Right?
This is a sell setup.
That's the sell setup. You already did the buy setup.
I'm gonna do it next.
Oh, okay.
But just remember, like, you got 1, 2, 3 opportunities to get in on that one setup. That one setup right there can make you a nice penny if you aggressive. It depends on how you are. So same thing can happen at the low price. It's a W. One right here, you buy right here, you buy right here. Sometimes, like I said, it's manipulation in the game, so they're not gonna give it to you clear as day all the time. You might see a W pattern like this. And all while they doing this is going back into what we talked about. You got money parked down here. So they probably had buyers right here. So buyers bought into it right here. So from this leg right here to this leg, you have buyers buy it up.
So how many times? Let me just say something. So basically, the way you describe it, it's almost like a lie. It's like the more people they get to buy in, that drives the market.
Exactly. And that's why I started this, so y'all understand the game. Because if you understand the game, nothing can touch you. You're not going to be confused about anything. Because you're like, when they start moving, you're like, I already know what they're doing. That's why I like to educate people on like this part. Because like, if you understand this, you're untouchable. But like you said, that's the lottery. Sell your dream, buy it up just a little bit, give people the thing is going down. Whole time, they're going to stop hunting the bees again, take all that money off the table, and then go up. And that prints the whole pattern. Hey, when the market did what it did today, I was like, all right, cool. I know that the banks, the corporations, the institutions, if it's low and highs, just remember, it's going to be money parked there. And that's why I was talking about the liquidity, because at the high of the day and low of the day, you got money parked there. Because people are waiting for the market to come back down to those levels. When they go into the new day, right, they're going to go back up there, if I draw this across, they're going to go back up there and poke their head in there and take the liquidity out of that area. They're going to take that money, like I said before. So that positions you as an investor to say, all right, cool, I know that that's the previous high right there. So I want to position myself not to buy because that's what they want you to do. That's why we say sell high and buy. Check. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a actual in-home visit that I did to some of the inner circle members of the 120 Dreamers family, and you know, I went to their house and we kind of had a little powwow, and just kind of giving them that one-on-one attention, that VIP, you know, education, and I hope you guys got some great value from that. But you know, like I said in the video that you guys watched, you know, before I just jumped on here, you know, we talk about the same things over and over again, but when you get inside the inner circle, you begin to learn all the secrets about trading, investing, all of that. But, you know, on this live video, it's only so much I can share with you guys. But, you know, I always tell people, you know, it's once you learn what you need to learn, it's a lifetime skill set. And this lifetime skill set can pay you tenfold. It can pay you a lot of money. And we've been talking about this setup that you're looking at on my chart ever since a Monday, right? So if you guys joined us Monday and you've been consistent, you know, on, you know, jumping on here, then you know we've been talking about this same setup right now that I'm about to show you. And I'm waiting for, you know, the overall goal to play out. Now, I told you guys my overall goal of this setup is 172 pips. Now, like I said, you can do whatever dollar amount. You could do 10 cents or a penny, you know, depending on how aggressive you want to go. But like I said, the overall goal in distance is 172. So I'm waiting for my goal to be hit and smashed, and we're almost there. We are currently, we are currently up, let's see. So we're at 112. So we got 172 that we're going to close the trade out at, but we're at 112 right now. So like I told you guys before, it takes patience, but that doesn't mean that you have to sit here at the chart and watch it. I don't sit here and watch it. I go to my 9 to 5, go spend time with the family. I go do whatever I want to do, and then I just, you know, let the thing do what it's gonna do. You get what I'm saying?
So overall, the reason why I'm able to predict where the market's gonna go and have my goal already mapped out is because, for one, I told you guys, I seen a pattern. Let me zoom out for y'all so y'all can see exactly what I was talking about. And this is how I'm able to put myself in that position to even do this. So this is the W pattern. So if I put it together, you can see the market, the current market is right here. So I'm looking for the market to go up here, right? Let me show you guys what the current market is. So if you go back to Monday's live video, you guys can see that we started at the very bottom. We are buying low. All right, we bought low and we are holding that trade until our trade is complete. So currently we're right here. This is the British pound versus the US dollar. And like I told you guys, once you guys learn the skill set, you can make the money don't even matter at that point. But I'm telling you guys, you can apply it towards any stock or index, any corporation you like, Nike, Jordan, Louis Vuitton, or pharmaceutical, whatever it is. If it has a chart, which it is a live corporation, publicly traded, then you guys can participate on it and make money off of it. So what I'm showing you on this currency pair, it applies amongst anything. And I'm going to show you guys as well. So far we're at 112. And if you do 112 times whatever dollar amount you desire to put on there, you could do 10 cents, you could do a penny, you could do 5 cents, you could do $10, $20, $100, whatever you really desire to put on here. You have that full control. And I want you guys to really understand the power of that. So 112 is currently where we are, right? So if I do 112 times 5, they give me $560. Now, I can do 112 times 10. That's 1,120 bucks. So, you guys know for a fact that based on, how you live and how other people live, a lot of people don't even get to see those type of numbers or returns. And I'm giving you guys an opportunity to learn a skill set that's going to put you in that position to be able to, move how you want to be able to move. And that's all we doing right here. So it starts with this, though. I get a lot of people that reach out to me and inbox me that's, not too serious, which is okay. But I get a lot of people that's not too ambitious. Ambition is what I want to say. And I feel like people are lacking that. That's where it starts at. Because, your perspective might be different. You might be looking for a handout. And I'm telling you, I could die today or tomorrow. And you depending on somebody else to make you money. No, let me teach you how to do this. Let me show you how to do this. Let me mentor you and show you how to do this. Like I said, this is not my first rodeo. I've been doing this for decades. You know what I'm saying? And to even prove it further, I got people under my belt, older and younger, that's just following simple instructions. And like I told you before, it's not nothing special about these people. They're just ordinary people, just like me and you. The only difference between the people that, that's in the inner circle and you, they took action. You feel me? They not thinking too much about it. I feel like what's holding y'all back, for y'all that's on the outside looking in, y'all thinking too much about it. You thinking that it's hard. You thinking that's too much money. You think it's risky and all that. I've been on this live video and just doing this N.C.A.M series for over a year now. Just proving my point and just trying to break all those barriers and beliefs that you holding in your mind. Because I want to see you chase greatness, but it ain't going to happen unless you want to chase greatness. You get what I'm saying? So, if you can remember that these patterns would pay you. Look, they're popping up over and over again. So look, I'm showing you a pattern again, and I can show you another one. But this is how we're able to position ourselves. This is why I'm so confident and why I'm able to, make the returns I'm making. And the people that's making the money, it explains itself. So 172 pips is the overall goal. This is a nice setup right here. And like I said, all you need is Wi-Fi. You got an iPad, tablet, laptop, or desktop, or even your phone. You can make it happen. You get what I'm saying? So inside the course, and like I said, I'm not charging an arm and leg for the course because that's not my goal. You get what I'm saying? So, we allowing people to get in and learn the skill set for them and their families. Like I said, I'm a big family man myself, and I believe that if you have kids, you should be trying to learn this for not only you, but think about your future so you can begin to pass this on to your kids. I know for me personally, I would feel bad. I would feel some type of way if, I wasn't in a position to be able to pass something on to my kids when they get to the age where they're able to be independent. You get what I'm saying? Because my overall goal, and I'm just being real with each and every one of y'all, my overall goal is when my kids get a little older and they get independent, my goal is for them to be able to own their own. You feel me? To own their own, have their own, and be able to move how they want to move. You get what I'm saying? They dad is doing everything they can, you know what I'm saying, to provide that for them. You get what I'm saying? So all the things I'm going through and doing, I'm making sure they don't have to do the same thing. They're going to be some young bosses. They're going to be some young CEOs. And that's where it's at. All right? So I'm very grateful for this industry and stocks and Forex and investing because, for one, like I told you guys before, I don't have to recruit nobody. I don't have to go to nobody's house and talk to nobody and have to convince mom and dad to do this. No. I learn it, right? I learn the skill set first. Once I learn it, I'm able to go ahead and apply what I learned. Daily markets, live markets are going to happen over and over again. And you guys are seeing it live. Every day that you get on here with me, you're seeing live markets. You're seeing me print out patterns, right? And that's what this is. I don't know if you guys can see the pattern on here. If you guys can see the pattern on this chart right now, comment I see. Just comment that for me. Let me know that you are hearing me and you are seeing what I see. Because if you can see what I see, then that proves that you can do exactly what we're doing over here. And it shows that by this time next year, you can make 6 figures. I'm talking about you guys on the outside looking in, listening to me, watching me, right? If you are seeing what I'm seeing and you can see the pattern on my chart, I guarantee you can make 6 figures by this time next year. That's how confident I am on what's going on over here and, you know, how simplified trading and investing is. Like I said, I feel like a lot of people overcomplicate it and they overthink things, and that's what's going to hold you back, right? So let me see what else we got cooking up, just to show you guys, just to prove my point even further. This is the British pound. Let's see if we can find something else. Let's go ahead and scan through the other charts real quick. So check this out. Now, I like to show people live markets because, you know, that's just what it is. So, what we're seeing right now is this is the euro versus the British pound. This is a currency pair. Now, like I said, your only job as an investor is to, you know, if you want to flip through the different stocks and currency pairs to see if you can see a pattern, that's cool. So, right now, I just randomly went to this particular currency pair, and right away, what I see is a pattern. And I'm going to be able to make money. Now, this one hasn't happened yet. So, let me show you guys this real quick. And this is exactly what I do when I'm not on live or anything like that. You know, I'm just showing you guys exactly the motions that I go through and the motion you're just going to go through to be able to put yourself in a position to make money. So, this green arrow right here is where the market is where I want the market to stop at. Now, the market is currently right here. This is where the market is currently at. They haven't yet reached this level down here yet. So, let me go ahead and label this off for y'all so y'all can see this. So, just imagine this is a pool down here, right? Just imagine that red down there is a pool, right? So, what I'm looking for is for the market to come down in that level, right? And I'm waiting patiently for, you know, the buyers to take over. You get what I'm saying? So, I wait, and this is the pattern that we talk about. So if you guys want to learn this, like I said, click the link in the comment section and you can sign up and you'll get all the information about what I'm talking about. But for now, look, I'm waiting for the market to come all the way down there because they haven't got there yet. So just give you time to set your trade. So I can set my trade right now and literally go walk away. And that's what I do. I set my trade right there where that red part is. I set my trade because that's a buy low setup. So I set my trades and I walk away. I go spend time with the family. I go work out, whatever I want to do. But I don't have to sit here and watch it, all right? So what that green arrow is, that's where I want to position myself, right? So when they get down there, what I'm looking for as an investor is this. I'm looking for them to give me some type of signal that they're ready to go ahead and go up. And as you guys see, when they reverse the market and shift the market back up, that forms the W pattern. And that's why you hear people say, buy low, sell high. This is what they mean by buy low. All right? So you could put a penny down there, you know. You could put 10 cents down there and just let it activate your order and let it go up. So when it goes up and go further away from your order, you're making more and more money. And that's it. I'm showing you that it's simplified by finding just the patterns. It's a time of the day. So like I said, I can't give you guys all the little secrets that we got because you got to get in the inner circle to get all those secrets. But I'm going to share what I got on this live video for the time that I'm on here. And no, it's no handouts given to you. You get what I'm saying? I feel like me showing you this right here is a handout. I feel like me giving you guys this game and knowledge and dropping jewels on you right now is game. So if you're picking up this right here, then that should be more than enough for you to get started to have the confidence that you can do this. And like I told you guys before, for you guys on the outside looking in, once you guys get inside the inner circle and become a part of the 120 Dreamers, look, you're not going to be by yourself. Maybe you want to be by yourself. Maybe you don't want to talk to nobody. I got people that's inside the inner circle that, you know, get on the videos with us, but they don't even say anything, which is okay because everybody learns different. But if you're that type of person that want to be grabbed by the hand and baby step, we can do that too. But you just got to show me you're serious by getting invested into the course first. Because if you're not invested, I can't invest in you. I'm only invested into people that showed me that they're serious and ambitious. It's only $60 a month, y'all. Like I told you, it's that price for a reason. I'm not looking to make no money off that. I'm looking to help people. I'm looking to pay it forward and see people chase greatness. My goal, like I told y'all before, I want to create multiple six-figure earners. That's what I'm looking to do. All right? That's what I get a thrill out of. I've been doing this for decades. And I like I told you guys, me personally, I'm just getting started with this. I haven't even really, popped the ceiling off of what I'm trying to do over here. But I'm patient because I have an overall goal. You get what I'm saying? But for now, on my journey to manifesting my 120 dreams and all that, I'm looking to create 6- and 7-figure earnings. And I'm showing you that it's simplified. I'm showing that this stuff works. All right? So for you mom and dads, work from home or got a 9 to 5, it don't matter what you do. It don't matter how old you are, none of that. You can do this. It's simplified. It's easy. I hate saying it's easy, but it is. At this point in time, to me, it's easy. But for you guys, we're going to make it simplified where you can learn it. And you can see the market moving. Where I circled off at right now, you can see the market moving. And like I said, when it come down into that red level, that's what we call the kill zone. The kill zone. I'm ready to strike at it. So when they come down in that red pool, I'm going to be striking at it. I'm striking at the price because I want to get in at the best price. Right? Like I said, the market can only do two things. The market can only go up and down. Right? Up and down, we got buyers and sellers. That's it. So you either a buyer or you a seller. And like I said, and look at it. I hope you guys are seeing this. If you guys can see what I see right now live, show me some love in the comment section. Let me know that you can see this market moving. It's moving and marching down to that level where I told you guys we want to position ourselves and get in to buy low. So I'm just showing you guys the live market and what it looks like so you guys can be able to take those beliefs out of your head and put them on the table and throw them away. It don't take a lot of money. It's not time consuming. It's not as risky as you thought it was. All right? That W pattern is so beautiful. W for wealth, y'all. I don't know if y'all hear me on this Wednesday, but I hope somebody hear me. I hope somebody see the vision with this and take action. You get what I'm saying? And like I always say, everybody's not meant to even see 6 and 7 figures. So I understand that. But for a select few of y'all that's on this live video, at least one of y'all gonna see the power of this and get started and want to learn this lifetime skill set. At least one of y'all. And that's all that I do it for. I do it for the select few people that see it, see the goal. You know what I'm saying? We're here to help you. So we got this cooking up, right? We got the pattern cooking up. What I'm going to do while this is cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and see what else we can find. Just to prove my point even further, let's go into an index. This is an index, y'all. This is an index. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, guys. So let me show you guys this real quick. Now, we don't see any patterns on this one. However, yesterday we did see a pattern, right? So I want to show you guys the pattern that happened yesterday so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So yesterday we was able to put ourselves in a position, like I told you guys before. It don't matter what you trade or invest into. Once you learn a skill set, it don't matter what it is, right? This is the Dow Jones. This is a stock. This is an index. This is a whole different ball game. But it does not matter. The skill set still applies. See this guy? See the M pattern? When you see the M pattern, you're going to be able to sell high. Now you're a seller. Right? So let's talk money. So at those red arrows, that's where you position yourself at, right? Let's say you start there, right? And you sold the market there and the market went down, which you did already. It went down 375 points. Let's do some math real quick. So if it went down 375 points, right? And this is all provided by and possible because you seen the pattern, because you took advantage, right? So if we're talking 375 points that the market has went down, right? Let's say that you did $1 per point because we're talking index in this case. So that's $375 you would have made, right? We're talking this is one day. That happened in one day, guys. Not even the entire 24 hours that it took. So per point, let's say you did times 5. One day, you would have walked away with $1,875 simply because you have a lifetime skill set that you took the time to learn and develop. You get what I'm saying? So, let's do $10. Like I said, the money really depends on you and how much you're willing to risk. So, we got $375, and I'm doing this on my phone. Same simple math. $375 times $10. So, $375 times 10. That's $3,750. I'm done. I proved my point. Look, you telling me that you would have made $3,000 and $750, and look, you see it. Let me label this. I want you guys to see everything I'm trying to. Right there. That's the number. 375, right? It took 4 hours for you to make that happen. Do you guys see that? I don't know if you guys hear me. $3,750 in 4 hours? Y'all about to make me get off this live video on y'all, man. This is why investing is the new swag. It's been the culture, and y'all should know that by now, but it's the new swag, all right? If you haven't invested your money into something yet, what are you waiting on? If you ambition and you got ambition and higher aspirations to do something bigger than what you are, then, hey, go for it. All right? I mean, I don't know what else to show y'all. It's just that simplified, man. Find a pattern. Once you find a pattern, then you can bet your life savings if you want. But we show you how to minimize your risk. We show you how to find the patterns, and we show you how to do everything. But I'm just mind blown. Every time I see numbers like this, I'm mind blown because I know for a fact where I come from. I'm from the west side of Chicago, y'all. And I'm blessed to even be in this position. I know for a fact people where I'm from would die to have some type of investment or hustle to be able to make these type of returns within a day or a week's time. You get what I'm saying? People would die for this. To see something like this, to be able to even have the opportunity to learn this. You get what I'm saying? You don't know how many people hit me up on a daily basis that beg me to teach them this, to beg me to show them this skill set. This is life-changing. Life-changing. All right? This is why, I do it because, like I said years ago, I seen that people didn't even know about this. Like, in their mind, it didn't even exist. And it's just what it is because certain demographics and certain communities, they don't teach this. And they don't know about stocks, investing, and all that good stuff. It's just what it is. And based on where I'm from, like I said, I'm from the west side. We didn't know nothing about this. A lot of people still don't. But I made it, my focus to teach this and pay it forward. And this is why I get on live every single day and show you guys that it's possible. Because like I said, you know where I'm from. If you don't know where I'm from, you know who I am, you can research me. You can Google me. If you guys don't know who I am, you're hearing me for the very first time. I come from nothing to something, and I'm just getting started. But let me show you guys these testimonies real quick. I'm about to jump off here. But this is our website. Click the link in the comment section. So if you guys are on the live video, just click the link in the comment section, right? And it's gonna bring you guys to this website, and you're gonna be able to learn all the things that I just talked about. Now, I just want to show you guys that It doesn't take nobody extraordinary to follow simple instructions. It don't. If you got ambition, you got dreams and aspirations, this is gonna do nothing but help you, get there faster. That's all it is. We got people that's 30 days in, as you can see, the blue numbers is profit. The 10 cent. This guy started with pennies. Pennies, 10 cent, and was able to compound his account from $50 to, $17.86, right? And he able to compound his account. All right, see y'all later, okay? I love y'all.
There's two ones on the counter.
Get ready to trace a market, okay?
One's on the counter, one's on the
money
refrigerator.
for the
We'll be
market.
back by the time she needs the second one, probably.
Okay.
Make sure we're fast on.
See you later.
All right.
Oh, wait.
So, as you guys can see, I'm just showing you that ordinary people are living life and able to just follow simple instructions. So, you talking $50 account, right? Compound it to whatever you want. Sometimes, me personally, I'll challenge myself and I'll start a $10 account and spend it on some shoes or something just to show that this skill set is possible to do anything with. You can take $10 and grow it. And I'm going to show you that today as well. This gentleman right here, $122 account and was able to compound that. Right? I keep going. And you see the blue, right? The numbers mean profit. Red mean they're currently down. Just showing you guys that different people from different walks of life, different ages are following simple instructions. They got the blueprint that I gave them. Right? And they just following it. That's it. I got my guy Nate Dogg. This guy he probably be one of my first, but we don't know. It's a close race. It's not even a race, honestly, but this guy cashed out $489 less than an hour. $489 less than an hour. That's crazy. $489 less than an hour. Then the crazy part about it, he hit me up the following day. The same guy, he hit me up the next day. It was like, hey, I cashed out another $211. I don't think y'all hearing me, man. I don't really think y'all hearing me. But anyway, you guys have the same opportunity to get started, just like those individuals I just showed you. And this is the course. This is what you guys get access to. This is the course. You guys get access to the same information. And like I tell you guys all the time, once you guys get this information, it's not something that you have to rush through. This is all self-paced. I understand that we are mom and dads, we students, and we live different lives. You're able to learn the information and earn as you live your life. You get what I'm saying? So you can open up the videos and watch it on your break. Watch it at nighttime, whatever, in the morning. That's the power of this, right? So you guys get access to introduction to Forex stocks, investing, from getting started, what is a chart, how to read a chart, right? All the way to advanced information. And I want to show you guys this $10 account that I compounded, and I'm going to go ahead and jump off this live video. I just want to show you guys that it doesn't take a lot of money to even get started with this. It don't. And when I say it doesn't take a lot of time, it don't. So let me go and show you guys this real quick. But when you learn the skill set, anything is possible. Once you learn the skill set, y'all, anything is possible, right? But you got to learn it first. I get that question a lot. People say, hey, can I start with $10? You can. Yeah, you can. But you have to learn it first. You can't just jump in and just throw your money at it. You got to learn the skill set first. So, as you guys can see, it's a live video. No screenshots, no, foo-foo stuff that people be doing on the internet nowadays. This is a live video. You guys are seeing it. $10.37 all the way to... So I'll play it again for you guys so you can see that. I just want to show you guys that this is possible. I just want to prove my point. I feel like I said, I feel like a lot of this stuff is holding some of y'all back from even getting started. And that shouldn't even be the case. So look, for one, you know that this is a legitimate account, right? It says my name. It says live. It says real. Indicates that I can withdraw the profits that you're seeing anytime that I desire to, right? I press play just to show you guys. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Let me pause it real quick. I just want to break this down. Look at the balance. You see the balance up there? What does it say? The balance says $10.37, right? That's what I started with. Equity just indicates that I'm currently up $90.23. So I took $10 and took it to $90.23. Right? And then you can see the British pound US dollar. That's the one that I'm trading. That's the currency pair that I'm trading. And you can see that I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies invested. I'm betting pennies. I'm investing pennies and was able to compound a $10.37 account off pennies. And then the blue just indicates numbers. Profit, $16.62, $16.60, $16.20, $14.35, $8.05, $9. That's profit. Real live profit. I'll press play. Let you guys see that. So, I rest my case. I can show you guys a bigger account. You know, look, this account right here was, look, I started with $345. And look what it compounded to. I can show you, I mean, just go on the website. You guys have the same website. All you have to do is click the link. If you guys want to see all of this that I'm showing you right now, all you have to do is click the link in the comment section. And you can go to our website. All that I'm showing you is right in your fingertips. So if you want to see this on your phone or your own time, just click the link. Put it in your notes. Copy and paste it or something. I'm just real transparent. I can't help that. I'm very transparent because I want you guys to be able to learn the same skill set. Right? Like I say, I'm very transparent. I'm showing you my live account. Look at that. That's my name, live account. I'm showing you everything. I don't have nothing to hide. I want to show you guys that this is possible. Right? So, you know, let's go ahead and see what else we got. And I'm going to go ahead and jump off this live. But we cooking up over here. We cooking up. And let's go back to the British pound. Guys, look. We almost there. We almost hit our goal. Look at that. So you guys are seeing money being made live. If this was me personally, I would be mad. I would be mad. Not mad, but I would be inquiring about this. If I was on the outside looking in like y'all, I could not sit here and watch somebody else make money. You feel me? And especially knowing that I can do it too. Come on now. Look, so you guys seen what we started at in the live video today. So the market is moving today. We are currently up. Let's see. We're currently up 134 pips. So we got about a good 40 pips to go before we hit our overall goal. And we cashing out. We cashing out. We done. Right? So we almost there. You guys can see the market moving, fluctuating live. So I'm going to keep that right there. And then let's see what the other pair is doing. Let's see if they hit our hot spot real quick. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. They are in our kill zone. You guys see it. So I left it just how I had it so you guys can see it. What we circled off at, that red spot, I mean that black little circle right there, that's where the market was at. You guys can see that we are now within that kill zone. We are now at a buy low price. So now this is where we buy low at. Right? And when the market flips and shifts and they go the opposite direction, that's going to form that W pattern that we are famously been making money and profit off of. And that's going to happen over and over again with or without you and me. All right? So, I just want to show y'all that it's happening. So, let's check out the NASDAQ real quick. NASDAQ had a nice little double bottom pattern on this one yesterday. So, that was a nice little W pattern that planned out on that one. Nice little buy low setup on this one as well. So, I'm just showing you guys that this stuff is simplified, man. I mean, I can do this all day. I mean, whatever it takes for you guys to, you know, get started and do this for you and your family. That's what it takes. So let's see what else we got in. Okay. Let's check out gold. You can do gold as well. Got to make sure my baby girl is still asleep. So, just to show you guys that this stuff is real, y'all. Live markets, right? How many of you guys, before I even pointed out, this is gold, by the way. How many of you guys see a pattern right now? What do you see in the chart right now? Do you see any pattern on the chart right now? I see it already. I want to see if you guys can see it. Right here on the chart. We're at a buy low price. Right? Guys, look. Buy low. Buy low. See that W? It's just that simple, man. It's just that easy. Look. You saw how quick I did that? That's how quick it is to be able to put yourself in a position to make profit. You just got to learn the skill set first. So I'm going to keep it moving. I just did gold. Let's go ahead and go on a euro real quick. Let's see what they're cooking up over here. All right, so nothing cooking up on that one. And that's exactly what I do. If there's nothing cooking up or showing me anything, I keep it moving. Guys, see another pattern. This is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Look, guys, I'm not making this stuff up. Not making this stuff up. All I see is W's. W's and M's. It's a buy low setup. Once again, I'm going to keep going. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is the euro versus the Canadian dollar. Just randomly went to the chart. You guys are watching me live. So, look. W. And this one hasn't fully, played out yet. It's, it takes patience. So, this one hasn't formed yet. So, what I'm looking for is for the market to come down here to this buy low price because the market is currently right here. That's where the market is currently at. So, we're definitely close to that level, but we get ready to buy low. So, it hasn't happened yet. But guess what? You think I'm going to sit here and wait for this? No, I set my trades and I'm going to go walk away. That's it. That's an M pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's an M pattern. I'm gonna do this until you guys get tired and just know that for a fact you as a person can put yourself in a position to do this as well. M pattern. And we're about to get another M to form over here. It's gonna be a bigger M pattern that forms and drop the market off. Guarantee that. So let's keep it moving. Here's another M pattern. This is the British pound versus Canadian dollar. I keep going. As you guys can see, I can keep going with this one. Look, M pattern. Boom. M pattern. I'm going to keep flicking through these bad boys. Just to prove my point. Just to show you that this is not hard. It's not rocket science. So, that's the one we started off with. And you guys can see that it finally went to our low price where we were able to buy low. So, guys, you guys got the opportunity to learn the same skill set that I've studied for decades and decades, and now I'm passing that same skill set on to each and every one of you guys. But it takes action. Just got to get started. So, we'll be right back at this thing tomorrow, Thursday. And, like I said, this is how we monetize our dreams over here. All right? Investing has been the culture. It's now the new swag. We'll be right back at this thing tomorrow, Thursday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Y'all make sure y'all tune in. Make sure y'all share this live video. And once again, not for me or you when I say that. Share this video for the next person. Share this video for the next person who you looking to chase greatness. They may have dreams and goals they are trying to fulfill. And like I told you guys before, my story, my 120 dreams, I was looking for angel investors, for somebody to invest into my company. But when I found out about this lifetime skill set in this industry decades ago, I didn't need them anymore. I don't need them no more. Because I'm able to make my own money and profit, invest into my own dreams, and fund my own dreams. based on this industry right here. And I thank God for this industry. And this is where it's at. It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams. I love y'all. I'll holler at y'all later.